Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm reviewing the Sony WH-XB910N headphones, part of their extra bass lineup. This headset promises powerful sound, quality noise cancellation, and the kind of audio punch that bass heads dream about, all without breaking the bank. In this video, I'll cover the design, comfort, sound performance, ANC, battery life, features, and where it truly shines. Also, the link to these headphones will be included in the video description below. Crack open the box and Sony keeps things minimal but classy. You get the headphones neatly folded into the included hard shell carrying case, a USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm audio cable, and your usual paperwork. Holding these headphones for the first time, the design screams Sony. It's got the smooth matte finish and it's available in either black or blue colors. The headphone cups are large and oval-shaped, and the overall look is modern with just the right amount of flair without being too flashy. Compared to its predecessor, the WH-XB910N, the XB910N looks more refined. Sony clearly took notes and made this one feel more premium. It doesn't scream budget, and that's a good thing. When it comes to comfort, these headphones does a great job for long sessions. The ear cups are soft with plush padding that doesn't cause pressure, and the clamping force is moderate enough to stay secure without making your head feel like it's in a vice. The headband has decent padding and the adjustment mechanism feels sturdy. These headphones weigh about 252 grams, so they are not feather light, but the weight is well distributed. Durability-wise, it's mostly plastic with a bit of metal reinforcement in the headband. Nothing feels cheap though. The folding mechanism is smooth and gives you that satisfying click when you rotate the ear cups inward or lay them flat. Let's get into the reason most people are even looking at these, the Sony's signature extra bass. And yes, these absolutely deliver. These headphones pack a serious low-end punch. Bass is deep, resonant, and powerful, but surprisingly, it doesn't completely overwhelm the mids and highs like older extra bass models used to. That's a big improvement. You will still get club-like thump, especially on tracks with heavy beats, but vocals and instruments don't get totally lost. Mids are a bit recessed, but still clear enough for most genres. Treble is smooth, not super bright, but it avoids harshness. If you're listening to EDM, hip-hop, or pop, you'll probably love what this headset does to your music. For jazz, classical, and acoustic tracks, it's not as balanced, but it's serviceable if you tweak the EQ in the Sony Headphones Connect app. Speaking of which, the app is a must-use. It gives you a 5-band equalizer plus bass boost, so you can customize the sound signature exactly how you want. You can actually tone the bass down if it's too much, which for some it will be. By the way, prices on these headphones update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's talk about active noise cancellation. Sony brought in their dual noise sensor technology here, and the ANC on these headphones is pretty solid. It's not on the same level as the WH-1000XM5 or XM4, but for the price, it punches above its weight. It blocks out low frequency hums like engines and fans effectively, and it does a decent job with higher frequency noise like chatter or keyboard clicks. If you're commuting, working in a noisy cafe, or just trying to stay focused at home, this ANC will absolutely help. It's not quite like a vacuum silence, but it gets you 80 to 85% of the way there. And just like Sony's high-end models, this one features adaptive sound control. It learns your patterns and automatically adjusts noise cancellation and ambient mode based on where you are, walking, sitting, or commuting. Now, the call quality is solid, not amazing. Sony uses precise voice pickup technology that combines two beamforming mics and advanced audio signal processing. In quiet environments, your voice comes through clearly, but in noisy areas, it struggles to filter out background sounds completely. It's good enough for work calls and quick voice chats, but if you're making frequent calls in busy settings, it's not going to rival dedicated office headsets. Touch controls are located on the right ear cup and they handle play, pause, volume, track skipping, and activating your voice assistant. They are responsive, and once you get used to them, it's easy to control your audio on the fly. The headphones also feature word detection, so playback pauses when you remove them and resumes when you put them back on. And that's a very nice touch. You also got support for Google Assistant and Alexa, plus hands-free calling and multi-point connectivity. The last one's a big deal. You can connect to two devices at once, for example, your laptop and phone. If a call comes in while you're watching something on your laptop, the headphones automatically switch over. Now let's talk about another win for these headphones, and it's battery life. You get up to 30 hours of playback with ANC on and around 50 hours with ANC off. That's enough to get you through multiple days of use, no problem. It charges via USB-C, and a 10-minute quick charge gives you about 4.5 hours of playback. That's seriously handy if you're in a rush. Now, who is it for? This headset is tailor-made for bass lovers who want great sound, solid ANC, and a premium feel experience without going all the way to Sony's top-tier offerings. It's perfect for casual listeners, commuters, and anyone who wants that big, bold Sony sound and a stylish package. If you're into hip-hop, EDM, or anything beat-driven, this will feel like a private club on your ears. But if you prefer more neutral, balanced sound for critical listening, or you prioritize call quality and high-end ANC, you may want to look higher up the ladder or to a different brand. At the end of the day, the Sony WH-XB910N delivers what it promises: big bass, sleek looks, strong ANC, and plenty of battery life. It improves on its predecessor in nearly every way: better sound tuning, cleaner design, more comfortable fit, smarter features, and a well-rounded experience overall. It's not the most accurate headset, but it doesn't need to be. This is built for fun, for rhythm, and for people who want their music to move them. Let me know in the comments, guys, are you planning to pick up these headphones, or are you going to stick with what you already have? That's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on these headphones. See you in the next one.